Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make iPhone keyboard vibrate when typing. Keyboard vibration, called haptic feedback, makes typing on an iPhone feel more responsive by giving a small vibration with each key press. This feature is available on newer iOS versions and can be turned on through settings. Once enabled, it improves typing feedback without needing sound. Now to begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics, then tap the keyboard feedback. Find the haptic options in the menu. Turn on the haptic toggle switch. Make sure sound is optional or turn off if you prefer vibration only. Open any app that uses the keyboard, such as Messages or Notes app. Tap inside the text field to bring up the keyboard. Start typing to feel the vibration feedback on each key press. Adjust system vibration settings and sounds and haptics if it feels too strong or too weak. Check that silent mode or focus mode is not blocking feedback effects. Restart your iPhone if haptics do not work immediately. Update iOS if the keyboard feedback option is missing. Use the feature regularly to get used to the tactile typing experience. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.